Hello everyone, so here you go. This is the Park of Negriti. So as you can see guys, so pwede siya, possible to do picnic. And here's our baby stroller, and that's the sliding area. And yeah, so here they cut the grass here, so which is good. They cut the grass, so yeah, I'm very happy they cut the grass. And there you go. And it's so nice because possible to walk here and do workout in outdoor. Possible, my dear friends. So yeah, I'm here and almost 12 noon. So we're gonna going back at home with my son. So my son love in outdoor area like me also. The same like me. So I love outdoor. So yeah. Yeah, that's for the baby. Yeah, there you go. So nice. It's color green here. It's very color green because it's summer now. So when it's springtime, a lot of flowers also here. We have a flowers over here, and yeah, I'm enjoying here with walking, and sooner and later I'm gonna be doing workout, going back to the workout because my son going to school on September 7. So I will have a little bit going back normal life. So gonna be hiking and workout, and of course I'm gonna be studying also soon also here. Even though I'm in the outdoor, I'm gonna be studying. So yeah, my son wanted to go back na, wanted to live for, yeah, dinosaur Leo, dinosaur. Oh, dinosaur. Yeah, I'm enjoying here. So this is my outfit for today, guys. I'm wearing my white fashion jewelry necklace, and my necklace another one also, and my sunglasses because super hot here. Yeah, this is my attire. There you go. Yeah, Dobby, bye. Quack quack quack, andiamo qua. So my baby wanted to go now. So see you on my next vlog. See you.